So there's a new cool feature in the Leonardo AI which lets you to create AI art in the real-time canvas, and this will create real-time art as you draw something. So let's check it out. So to use this, you just need to log into your Leonardo AI account, and if you don't know how to use Leonardo AI, you can just go to the description box. I already made a beginner tutorials for Leonardo AI, so you can watch this video or you can just watch that video to learn it. But if you just want to use this Leonardo AI real-time canvas, you can watch this video. So here's the real-time canvas and the left here also. So just click it and this canvas will pop up, and as you can see, this is blank right now. And to use it properly, you just need to go to this left corner here. As you can see, there's a brush control here, there's an eraser, there's a select option, and also if you want to upload an image and draw it. But for now, we're gonna use the brush here. So if you just choose the brush here, you can choose the brush size here. As you can see, the brush size is getting big and small here. So you can also choose the color here. So if I just go to this, click this color option, and here you can choose the color. So if I click on yellow and choose the brush, now if I hover over my mouse and start drawing here, and in the right here, you will see start to create something. So I just hover over my mouse and draw this yellow line here and start to create something here. So if I just start drawing here like this, and it will create something in the right corner here. As you can see, it's painting something that I paint here in the left. So this is the brush here. You can also choose many color here. So if I just choose blue here and start to paint in the middle here, let's see what happened. And as you can see, it creates something in the right also in the paint. And if I choose to reduce the brush size here and choose another color, let's say if I want to choose red here and start to draw something like this, and let's see what happened. And you can see it's like an omelet here. So basically, if you draw something carefully with this, and you can many cool features AI art here. So let's say I really want this image look like an omelet here, egg omelet. So there's a prompt option here. So if I just type omelet here, and as you can see, it's really look like an omelet with a blue yolk here. So if I just change this color into white here and choose the brush here, and let's see what happened. As you can see, it's look like an omelet with some dumpling or something here with a ball here, as you can see with the red circle. And you can also increase the strength here to change the picture here. So if I just lower the strength, it will just change into similar to what I drawn here. So if I just increase the strength here, and it will also create a realistic art here. As you can see, this looks pretty cool right now, but nothing similar to my drawing here. So as you can see, there's an omelette and burger and tomatoes, also add some tomatoes with the red line here. So let's just for the 7 here, and you can see there's an option of the model here, what kind of filter or model you want to use. Right now I'm choosing the environment here. You can choose cinematic here, and it will change into cinematic thing, and go to photography, then it will change into photography. And also you have anime, and this will change into anime, as you can see. So there's a lot of option here you can choose. For right now, I'm gonna just choose the environment here, and this is also a cool feature to use. And there's a interactive option right now I'm using, which is free, and the real-time mode is update the image in real time, which is premium. So if you have premium account, you can use this. So let's say I want to create something amazing AI art here. So for example, let's draw a awesome art about Godzilla here. And also there's a cool feature here. If you want to use this art as an input here, so output to input, and now you can choose this reference to edit this AI art in the right here. So if I just choose another color and draw something here, And as you can see, it's changed into something like this. So this is another cool feature to use this. And also you can upload your own image like this as the input, and you can change whatever you want to use. So if you are satisfied what you're creating here, you can just go to this download option, which will only cost 8 token here. So if I just use this creative refine, so there's a creative refine mode and there's a normal refine mode. So if I choose this, it will also use 8 token. So I want to use the creative refine mode, and just click on download, and it will just download in my PC here. So that's it guys, you can create a lot of cool AI art with this new live canvas here, or the real-time canvas in this Leonardo AI. So I'm just showing you the basic things of how to use it. So you can just go to Leonardo AI and go crazy about this new feature here. So if you found this video helpful and you really want to see lots of AI tutorial like this, please subscribe to this channel and also leave a comment if you like this video, and thank you for watching.